This is going to be a video review of the Esicoo Wi-Fi Smart Plug Outlet Timer Mini Socket. It's a smart remote control. It works with Amazon Alexa, Echo Dot, and Google Home, and it allows you to manage your home devices with your voice. You can control home appliances remotely by your telephone or a tablet when using the Smart Life app. So let's get this going now. We're going to test this thing out. We've got 4 of these. This is the 4-pack by Esicoo. The instructions that come with it give you a QR code. So if you turn on the QR code app on your cell phone, you can scan this QR code, or you can go, as it says, to Apple Store, Google Play, and look for the Smart Life app. So I did the scan. I've got Smart Life. Now I'm going to download it. After downloading, it asks if you want to install the app. Yes. App is installed, so now I'm going to open it. And now you have to set up an account. You have to register before you can log in. If you already have a Smart Life account, then you will just go to log in. These would normally be plugged into a wall outlet, but I've got them plugged into an extension cord just so I can make this easier for setup and to make a better video to show everyone how to do this. So I'm going to be installing 2 of these into the app. The first step is to add the devices. So there is add devices over here, and there's also a check mark over here, little plus. I click on that. It says no devices. Add devices, so let's click on add devices. We're loading, and I'm going to allow it to access the location. And now we are going to click on electrical outlet. On the side of the indicator is a flashing light, so I'm going to click on electrical outlet, and I believe power on the device and confirm the indicator light rapidly blinks. It does. Confirm indicator rapidly blinks, which I am. Now I have to enter my Wi-Fi password from the router. And then I am going to click the confirm at the bottom. It is attempting to connect. I hear the units clicking, so something is definitely happening. The lights just went out. The lights are flashing on and off. Connecting now. Once the app connects to these plugins, the lights will stop flashing. Now let's look at the phone. Successfully added 2 devices. Mini Smart Socket and Mini Smart Socket 2. Done. I'm going to press done. This is my first time setting these up, so like you, I am not sure what I'm doing, but we are going to do this together. On the screen, we have both the sockets, and I'm going to click on Mini Socket 1. Okay, this is incredible. I'm going to plug in some lamps in a minute, but this is incredible. You see how it says turn on, turn off? Look at this. I'm going to press this, and you should be able to hear in the background, the socket is going to click. If you look on the screen, you can see, on mine it says turned on, turned off. And notice the difference in size of the circles over there. So I want you to listen in the background. Let's look over here. One of them has the light on, the other has the light off. So I'm going to press Mini Socket 2. We just saw turned off, turned on. Let me do that again. Turned off, turned on, turned off, turned on. The switches on the side power the unit. Press power off. I think you can see the light in the background. Pressing on, pressing off. pressing on, pressing off. On the other plug, pressing off, pressing on. Now we can do the same thing with the phone. Light on, light off. Doing that again on the phone, pressing it down, light on, that's the other light. Pressing to turn one light on, pressing to turn it off, pressing to turn it on, pressing to turn it off, strictly from the cell phone. It allows Alexa control and Google Home control. I am going to install the Amazon Alexa app and see if I can control the lighting from Alexa. After you install Amazon Alexa, you will have to use your Amazon password and your phone number or email to log in, or you need to create an Amazon account off your cell phone. Now that I have Alexa installed, I'm going to go to the home menu. I'm going to click the home button. I'm going to click Skills. In the box, I'm going to search Smart Life, and we can see that Smart Life comes up before I complete the search. Click on Smart Life. Account linking required, enable. Then I will insert my Smart Life account information and link everything together. After the Smart Life is linked to Alexa, I am going to test it out now and see if I can turn on the lights. I renamed the controllers to Desk and Lamp, and Alexa just detected those, so let's see what we can do with them. So we're going to click on Lamp. Plug is off. Light just came on. This is absolutely incredible. Unbelievable. Let's go back to Desk. Plug is on. Light just went off. Light just went on. And Lamp. Light just went on. Both lights are on now with Alexa. Sorry. I'm going to give Alexa access to the microphone so that I can do voice commands. Alexa, turn off lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on desk.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off desk.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off lamp.
Okay.
So this is going to complete my review of the Smart Life plugs. These are absolutely incredible. It took a little time to set this up. And I've never used Alexa before. I've never used Google Home. Setting these things up was very easy. And if all you're going to do is access it using your system, like remote control from your cell phone at home, very simple to do. Took me a couple minutes. If you are going to set up Alexa or Google Home, hopefully you've already got them set up. If you don't, it does not take a long time to get them to link up with the Smart Life controller, and then after that you can access the whole system and turn your lights on or appliances when you are not at home. So it's a very awesome product. It's a really cool idea. Automation in 2018, you couldn't ask for anything better. 5-star product, very easy to set up actually. Just be patient, take your time, and thanks for watching my review.